Alam mo, minsan kasi sobrang pag-idolize natin sa mga negosyante, nakalimutan po natin yung basic. Ang goal mo kasi when you go into this type of opportunity is not to earn money but for you to learn.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Kung inaakala mo starting as a business para ikaw ay yumaman, nagkakamali ka. Bakit? Because 90% of the startup on the first year fails before they succeed. Kaya kung gusto malaman anong sikreto sa pagyaman, you got to watch this episode. Hi there, this is Chinky Tan, your pambansang wealth coach. Thank you very much for tuning in. And thank you very much in subscribing in this channel. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, alam mo na. Alam mo, parati yun, syempre, naririnig natin. Even I myself, no, nasasabi ko yan, kung gusto nyo talaga umunlad ng inyong buhay, magtayo ka ng sarili mong negosyo. Yes, but this is what I've realized in years. No? Not everyone is cut out to really do a business. But everyone needs to learn something before they can start a business. Especially kung ikaw ay bata pa, nasa 20s ka. Ang kailangan, bago pa mag-umpisa ng negosyo, ito ang kailangan mong matutunan na pwede mong ikayaman. Ang kailangan matutunan is this word called skill. Everybody say skill. Alam mo, minsan kasi sobrang pag-idolize natin sa mga negosyante, nakalimutan po natin yung basic ang pinaka-foundation. Ano ba yung skills? Ang skills kasi ang foundation in order for you to build a business. Bakit napakahalaga na mag-build na skills? Ito, tatanungin kita. Sa palagay mo, nagawa kaya ni Mark Zuckerberg ng Facebook kasi trip lang niya? Si Bill Gates, nagawa niya Microsoft dahil gusto lang niya. No. They develop yung coding skills. They understand yung internet. In other words, in order for them to start a business. Kaya parati ko sinasabi na tamang karunungan at tamang kaalaman ang susi sa pagyaman. Pero paano yan? Yan ang mga tinatawag natin na life skills. So, bago natin pag-usapan ano yung mga life skills na kailangan matutunan para ikaw ay yumaman, batiin muna natin si Glenn Serafica, si Delta, Eco, Airsoft Supplies, at the same time si IM Iyul. Okay, IM Iyul. Maraming salamat. Ito na mga skills na kailangan po natin na matutunan para tayo ay yumaman. Grabe to. Sulat yun to. Number 1, sales and marketing skills. I've been in sales ever since when I was age 12 na siguro nag-umpisa na ako magbenta, and ito yung na-realize ko. Pag natuto ka magbenta, everything then will follow. Bakit po? Ito lang. Sige, negosyo. May nakita ka bang negosyo na kumita dahil walang benta?
Pogi nito.
Kaya importante po pumasok kayo sa sales. Oo. Ano yung mga pwede mong pasukan ng sales? Real estate. Pasukan mo. Kasi ang kagandaan sa real estate, puhunan mo laway. Hindi ka naman bibili ng lupa. Tapos pagbebenta mo, ahente lang yan. Number 2, mga life insurance or become a financial advisor. Kasi ang kagandahan yan, wala ka rin puhunan. Ang puhunan mo rin, laway at saka edukasyon. Saka the same time, pipirma sa papel. Yan, a commitment yun. And third, mag-direct selling ka. Benta ka ng mga products, di ba? Whether online, person to person, mag-direct selling ka para matuto ka. Ang goal mo kasi, when you go into this type of opportunity is not to earn money but for you to learn. Because you got to learn before you can earn. Ulitin ko, learn before you earn. So, sales muna. The next thing that you need to learn in order for you to become wealthy and rich is communication. Kasi to be able to sell, you have to learn how to communicate. Na mahalaga na matuto ka kung paano ka makipag-usap, paano ka mag-negotiate, di ba? Paano ka mag-present, paano ka mag-close, paano ka mag-follow up. Nagigets nyo? Ito lang, huwag nyo sabihin, Chinky, hindi naman ako magaling sa communication. And no one was born to become a good and great communicator. May nakita ka na bang bata na lumabas sa sinapupunan na kanyang nanay?
I'm a great communicator. Please listen to me.
Wait. Wala. Everybody stayed with dada, with mama, with 1, 2, 3, 4. Di ba natuto po lahat? That's the reason why. Ito yung kagandahan. Again, yung selling skills can be learned. Communication can be learned. It is not acquired. And the third skill that you need to develop in order for you to become rich, ito natutunan ko sa buhay. Leadership skills. Bakit ko kailangan ng leadership skills, Chinky? Wala naman ako i-manage sa mga tao. You got to lead yourself in order for you to lead others. Kung tatamad-tamad ka, wala kang drive, ayaw mo gumising, di ba? Paano yan? You cannot lead yourself. Agree? Alam mo, natutunan ko, the best leaders are the greatest followers. Matuto ka muna na sumunod sa ibang tao. And then, pag may nakita kang magandang leader na sinusundan mo, na-inspire ka, na motivate ka, di ba? Kaya nga, pag ikaw natuto ka na, kaya nga, pag-aralan mo yung leadership skills, especially natin, nasa sales ka. Pag nasa sales ka, kailangan maging leader ka. Kasi once na magkaroon ka ng leader, you can build a strong team, you can lead people, you can drive business for growth. At the same time, pag ikaw nagkaroon ka na ng tao sa team mo para tumulong sa'yo, para magbenta, nagkakaroon ka ng tinatawag natin na leverage. Ang ibig sabihin po ng leverage, kahit na tumigil ka na sa kakatrabaho, pero yung mga tao mo, yung team mo, nagbebenta, may kita ka pa, may commission ka pa. And that is what normally happens in real estate, in insurance, in direct selling. Yung mga leader, nagle-lead po, meron silang override commission at kumikita sila. Ang tanong ko, gusto mo ba yun? Yes. Ang kagandahan kasi niyan, kahit wala kang benta, pero pagka bumibenta sila, may kita ka. At isa pang kailangan skills na matutunan mo is what we call as internet skills. Alam mo, pagdating po sa internet, ito na yung pumapasok ang technology. Dito na yung pumapasok ang AI, artificial intelligence. Kailangan matuto ka. Alam mo ba, ngayon sa AI technology, pwede ka ng matutong gumawa ng mga designs, graphics, using AI, coding, editing, cinematography. Lahat na po nasa AI technology na po. Kaya para sa mga taong gusto talagang yumaman, ulitin po natin. Ano yung mga skills na kailangan mo matutunan? Number 1, sales and marketing skills. That's number 1. Number 2, communication skills. Number 3, leadership skills. And number 4 is what we call as internet skills, specializing on the world of AI, artificial intelligence. Ang question ng right now is this, ikaw ba? Aware ka ba sa artificial intelligence? Aware ka ba na pwede kang kumita using artificial intelligence? At pag sinasabi mo, Chinky, ano ba yung AI na yan? Ano ba yung artificial intelligence na sinasabi mo na pwedeng pagkakitaan na skills? If you are interested to earn additional income of 10,000 to 100,000 a month using AI skills, this is what you need to do. Pumunta na lang kayo sa comment section, i-check nyo na lang po sa comment section at may i-click kayong link doon at may panunuorin kayong maikli na video para maintindihan nyo ano bang ibig sabihin ng AI skills. Guys, sana naman natutunan nyo at sana naman naliwanagan kayo. Again, hindi lahat pwede mag-umpisa sa negosyo. Ang umpisa nyo muna, learn some skills, vital skills, and pag kayo meron na kayong skills, that's the time you start your own business. Kung kayo ay naliwanagan sa episode na ito, pakitype the word called naliwanagan. And tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina ang susi sa pagyaman. Alam mo, the lack of skills, they develop what we call as coding skills. They develop what we call as they develop yung coding skills. Yun nga tinatawag natin mga tinatawag. Thank you for watching. If you want to suggest a topic or review that you would like me to discuss on the next video, please do comment below para mabasa po namin. Thank you very much and I'll see you on our next video.